Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can replace images and photos in your photo editing projects on Adobe Express Photos in 2026. For instance, if you don't like the photos you have implemented and would like to replace them, like, I don't know, AI generated images here by Adobe Express, and you don't like the results, so let us guide you through this. So navigate to the Adobe Express Photo Editor in the web application or on your device if you like. So what you want to do is click into the image. I'm going to go with this image that Adobe Express Photo has created for me. Right click into it and choose the uppermost option, which is replace, or it's a shortcut Ctrl R or Command R if you're using a Mac. Then you will be redirected to that media section on the left hand side. Switch to photos. And in the following process, guys, you may upload a photo from your device, navigate to it, locate it on your device, or you may go with a photo from the Adobe Express library here, and then it will be placed into that placeholder and remove the previous image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, of course, don't forget to click into replace here at the bottom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.